Hi everyone, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your Instagram account private. Instagram allows users to make account private, which gives you the following benefits. After making your account private, only your followers or other users that you have approved will be able to see all photos, stories or video content that you post to Instagram. Also, I will show you how to switch your business Instagram account into private. As you can see that my profile is personal, and it is simple to make account private. First, I'm going to open Instagram app. Then tap on your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. On your profile page, tap on these three lines at the top right corner. A profile menu appears on the screen. In this menu, select Settings. In the next screen that appears, I'm going to tap on Privacy. Under Account Privacy, tap the toggle next to Private Account to change your Instagram account privacy settings. Instagram then shows a pop-up message which says that only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos, and this won't change who can mention or message you. After reviewing this, click on the Switch to Private button to confirm the change. After this, I'm gonna visit my current Instagram page from another account. As you can see, my account became private. And for seeing all content, other users need to subscribe. Then, after you've approved the subscription, they will be able to see all photos or videos of your Instagram private page. If you have a business account, first you need to switch to a personal account. Go to your profile page, then tap Menu in the upper right corner of the screen. Next, select Settings from the pop-up list that appears. Then tap on Account. Scroll down and tap on Switch Account Type. In the pop-up, select Switch to Personal Account. Tap on Switch to Personal Account to confirm the change. After your account becomes personal, go to the Settings page and tap on Privacy. Under Account Privacy, tap the toggle next to Private Account. Then tap on Switch to Private button to confirm the change. This is how you can make your Instagram account private. If this video helped you, please give a thumbs up. If you want to get more helpful videos, subscribe to Mobile Pro channel. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching.